Okay, so how long have you had Victor?
We have been using Victor for about 2 months now.
So what was the very first thing you handed off to him?
I asked Victor to do a market comparison as far as our marketing goes to find out what our competitors were doing, all the things marketing wise,
So what was the thing that surprised you about him?
how fast he was.
Yeah. So how like you were telling me off camera, you gave him projects that you just hadn't been able to do.
Absolutely. So I think the biggest change for me has been with Victor is the things that I wanted to do that I just either never had the time to do, um, didn't have the will to do because other things always get in my way. For example, I could say, Victor, look at salons in the area and tell me what everybody's charging for a balayage. And before I can even go to the bathroom and come back, he has all the answers for me. So all the things that I needed to know to make decisions, that I was just dragging my feet with, he has been super, super, super helpful. I love him.
You love him.
I love him.
So if a business owner friend of yours was looking to hire a Victor for himself, what would you say?
Absolutely.
Yeah, do it yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Yes. He's been super, super helpful. I can't say enough about him.
Awesome. Cool.